Hi, sometimes we have to inform the fleet owner about what CAN bus parameters we are able to read from certain trucks or his fleet. How to do that easy? You can use our free CAN bus decoding service, can2sky.com. All you need is recorded CAN bus log or CAN bus trace file. It is a file containing all messages and timestamps. On first step, we need to fill the information about vehicle, brand, model, remarks, and CAN bus speed. Then drag and drop trace file. Service will analyze our file and prompt us that we can decode it using Sayed G9039 parser. What's correct, and here are 11 recognized CAN bus parameter groups. Click Send and wait until decoding finishes. Now we can click View to get results. Here are recognized CAN bus parameter groups. Each contains several parameters and their names from G9039 parser. We can see what parameters are changing during the recorded trace, and we can definitely read them by proper GPS trackers with CAN bus interface. Here's RPM data. This one is engine torque. We can display data on the plot. These names may be not user-friendly sometimes. It's taken from G9039 parser, and there are some reductions in names, but still understandable. Here is instant fuel consumption. Oil pressure is changing during the trace. Oil level. Here is our favorite total fuel consumption in liters. At the bottom of the list you can find the parameters with red background. They are unrecognized by parser because are not standard parameters and defined by manufacturer. You can pay attention to CAN bus identifiers EBFF and ECFF. That's how long message is being transmitted over CAN bus. ECFF defines the transmitted CAN bus ID, and you can see this ID here. It's FEE3, and EBFF contains the rest of this message. CAN bus ID EAFF means request for certain CAN bus ID. As you can see, the total fuel consumption ID FEE9 is requested, and that's why we can read the total fuel consumption counter. Now we can click the button Export Brief to PDF and save our results in file for use in new conversations with customer. Thank you for attention. Welcome to use this free service from Mechatronics. Bye.